Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Lenovo Ideapad 15.6-inch FHD Touchscreen Laptop, a sleek and powerful device that comes packed with some surprising features for its price range. From its AMD Ryzen 5 processor to lifetime Microsoft Office 2024, this laptop might just be the perfect choice for students, professionals, and everyday users. Stick around because I'll be breaking down everything you need to know before you buy. First, let's talk design. The Ideapad 1 features a 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen display, giving you crisp visuals and smooth touch functionality whether you're browsing, streaming, or working on creative tasks. It comes in this stunning abyss blue finish, giving it a premium and modern look. The laptop is slim, lightweight, and portable, making it easy to carry to classes, offices, or even while traveling. Plus, Lenovo includes a Stylus pen and pouch, which adds to its overall convenience. Now, performance is where the Ideapad 1 really shines for its category. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor, paired with 8GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD. This means you get fast boot times, smooth multitasking, and reliable performance whether you're working on documents, editing photos, or streaming your favorite shows. For students and professionals, this combo ensures productivity without lag or slowdowns. One of the biggest highlights here is that the laptop comes with free lifetime Microsoft Office 2024, that's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more, at no extra cost. For students, office workers, or anyone who relies on Office daily, this is a huge money saver. Combined with Windows 11 Pro, you're getting a complete productivity setup right out of the box, no extra subscriptions needed. With its touchscreen functionality, stylus support, and lightweight build, the Ideapad 1 is perfect for both productivity and entertainment. Whether you're taking notes with the stylus, attending Zoom meetings, or streaming movies, it's built to handle everyday tasks effortlessly. Battery life is optimized as well, so you can get through the day without constantly worrying about charging. So, who should consider this laptop? If you're a student, professional, or casual user who needs a reliable laptop for work, study, or entertainment, this is a fantastic choice. The added value of lifetime Office, touchscreen functionality, and Ryzen performance makes it stand out from other budget-friendly laptops. Overall, the Lenovo Ideapad 15.6-inch FHD touchscreen laptop delivers an excellent balance of design, performance, and value. With its Ryzen processor, touchscreen display, lifetime Microsoft Office, and included stylus, it's an all-in-one package for productivity and entertainment. If you're looking for an affordable, versatile laptop in 2025, this one should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for the best deal on the Lenovo Ideapad 1.